on tag, pero American size. Carry to hanggang large. Tingnan natin ang legit, mga madam. Michael Kors. Okay, merong bakal. Okay, this one is again, legit Michael Kors, mga madam. Original Michael Kors. Meron siyang ganiring. Okay, ayan. Again, this one is medium on tag ni Michael Kors. Magkano ito, mga madam? Michael Kors to, ha. Carry to hanggang large, mga madam. Best fit large nga to, eh. Kasi American size. Again, this one is, ay, medium lang. Medium lang talaga. Branded by Michael Kors, medium po. Code ako, 980 to, ha. 980 lang, di pa umabot ng 1,000, be. Okay, code ako dito ng MK. 980 lang. Medium, semi-large kasha. Code is MK. Wala si ano? Si pangalan nito? Si FM. Okay, Michael Kors. Legit Michael Kors, ha? Michael Kors. MK. Code is MK. Mahal yun si MK, mga madam. DLMK, Joanne Sanguines, 1,080, ma'am. Okay, Joanne, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 yours na to. Swerte, magkano to, B? Uy, magkano Michael Kors, mga bakala. Joanne, yours na yan. Second ka, Miss Liza, ha? And then si Eileen, tapos si Calgaw. Okay, next, this one, large on tag, branded by, divided by H&M. Side zipper, large on tag, ha? Soft linen yung tela, tapos pa long sleeves. Side zipper, square neck, bustier. Code ako dito, divided, 690. Purple color. Code is divided. Ala, may forever new, pang party. 980, 1,080. 1,080. Okay, next, this one, another forever new high-end brand din. Pang party nyo, may belt na kasama. Diyos ko, day. Carry hanggang large. Again, this one is forever new. Napakaganda nung gold kineso niya. Very subtle lang. Sobrang syala. Tapos twisted knot pa. Branded by Forever New. Carry hanggang large, ha. Code po ako dito, gold. Gold 780. Gold 780 pesos. Code is gold 780. Okay, next. Brand new by the Cuba. $50 on tag, mga madam, ha. This one is size medium large. Medium large, brand new by the Cuba, napakaganda. Code ako Zebra 690. Zebra 690, ha, carry hanggang large. Okay, code is Zebra 690 pesos. Code Zebra. Code ng Zebra. Okay, next one is... Ay, wait. Size large XL, adjustable strap. Ganda. Large XL. Another emerald green. Size 14 by Doty to, ha. Large XL, branded by Doty. Napakaganda. Large XL, mga madam, zipper back. Code ako Olive 690. Olive 690. Sis, sino nakakuha? Nakakuha si, si Joanne, ma. Si Joanne, tapos second ka, Miss Liza. Zebra, Madam Gossi, Winley. Madam Gossi, pa-down payment, ma'am, kami sa Zebra. Okay, pa-down payment, ma'am. Yours na to, ha, for 690. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pa-PM and down payment, ma'am, ako, ha. Thank you so much. Now na, ma'am, para masaya. Okay. Oo, B. Kasya to sa medium. Kasya sa medium to, ha. Kasya to sa medium bakla. Kasya din to sa hanggang large. Yung cut niya kasi parang pre-size, ganun. Okay, next one is, ang ganda rin ito, mga madam. Branded by Tokito, medium large. Full smack, soft linen, papaf. Okay, garter yung dulo. Square neck, full smock, mga madam. Ang ganda. Medium large to, size 10 on tag. Ito rin o, Miss Eileen. Full smock tapos square neck. Soft linen yung tela. Ang ganda rin. Code ako dito maganda, 690. Medium large yan ha, tapos very soft yung pagkalinin. Branded by Tokito. Pa second sa Zebra. Sige, pagka hindi nag-down payment yung new miner, si Eileen. Okay. Eileen, ikaw pagka hindi nag-down. O, size 10, pang formal ka na. So, branded by New Look, mga madam. Branded by New Look, medium large, garter with belt, navy blue ha. Branded by New Look, size 10. Code is Navy. Takimono style siya. Navy, 690 pesos. Code is Navy. 690 Navy. Maganda. Yours na, Miss Sarah. Zara. Ay, Zara. Oo. Sarah, Miss Sarah, yours na to. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, Miss Sarah. 1, 2, and 3. Ito po sa H&M mo lang. Ganda-ganda. Linen ng tela nito, mga madam ha. H&M. This one is best fit small medium po, button down. Maganda to, Miss Eileen. Medium. Okay. Tapos cotton linen dun yung tela. Branded by H&M. Button down all the way. Okay. Code ako Royal. 690 Royal. Best fit small medium. Code is Royal. Okay, Royal. Eto. Be, ang ganda nito. Ba't ayaw nyo? Small medium adjustable strap. Adjustable strap. Button down. This one is branded by Factory. Super nice. Code ako fresh. 690 fresh. Nag-down na. Nag-down na daw. Wala na tayong pag-asa, B. Uy, ang ganda, oh. Branded by Tokito. Small lang to. Branded by Tokito. Small. Garterized to, mga madam ha. Small mid. Ganda, oh. Okay, small semi-med, kasya-kasya lang po sa akin, mga madam. Branded by Tokito. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda. Okay, code ako Polka 690. This one is branded by Tokito. Pwede nyo yung i-search yan si Tokito. Magandang brand yan si Tokito, mga box. Ah! May one-sided. Chuta, ang ganda. Cut out, large XL. Okay, branded by Show po, twisted knot, one-sided, tapos cotton linen yung tela na bagsak. Okay, this one is branded by Show po. Alabi, ang ganda. One-sided.